Hello guys, welcome to a video of unboxing and reviewing the dish drying rack which sits by your sink side, and it's been sold by Aliexpress. You can see the ad there. It was around 24 quid, free delivery. Took its time though. It took about, say, more than 4 weeks. Around about 4 weeks, and eventually today it turned up, and I've just unboxed it in front of you. It was well packed in a shrink, and obviously that's the bottom base plate. It made of plastic but very sturdy and very simple to go together, assembled right in front of you. It's a black in color. White is offered as well. It's slightly more expensive, but we needed the black which goes well with our kitchen. Right, and you can see it's a nicely powder coated, and there it is. It's right, and it's in place. And in the beginning you saw at the bottom of the base plate there is a nozzle. That's for the draining. You have to turn it towards where the sink is so water drains out and goes straight into the sink. Now there it is. It's been all assembled. On the side you can see the rack has compartments where you can put your knife, forks and spoons. And it's a well-made, sturdy, not as sharp weld or edge or anything. It very well, as you could say, welded. It's put together strong. Can take a lot of weight. And obviously, there it is. On the top level you can see there's a line of hook for the glasses. You can put the glasses there for drying after washing. We would fully recommend it. Thanks for watching.